of una will be commenter and some of una will be my lover. He go come be like say, oh, why is mommy Monica like this? Oh, why is Nene me like this? I want talking. So that if I talk the thing and person will say na my lover, he no see reason with me. And I still see comment. I don't know the side where you dey. If I not block the person, if the person not block me go block her. Because no matter how two women go do friendship reach, it not go make them use each other children take sacrifice. So if I can't see say the person, okay, he go choose the side where he choose, he no consign me. But if I not talking, come out, I be when they can't pay money, when about they drag all of them since you know say all of us they here. The one way we fit up, we come on there because not be here all the time. Person matter be my matter. You go see her. When I dey UK, I say when I dey UK, when I go England with my daughter, when I dey live video, they try to make I enter here, may I for the blog, so that me I not see comment where go even change me. Make I just talk story where they talk. The one I'm about bene, make it for not change my talk at all. No bell, no worry I. If I can't now, no fear will because we love us even. Ede ogbodu, no gbodu bue, no wherever udu, no he ogbodu. On dun agbon edede dan ami ewe ban emi de mi dan ami ewo bu wa ga onu wa ne wa ewu no wan worry agbon no dun e de ni do block we except e ti mami ewe ya block bamba na no aso kian awa be ya agbon when I my talk at all bell. So when I go England, my people, when we they talk about the thief money and the scamming, people come put her inside. You know, see the way I stated talk to second wife. I can't talk say, your mom, why you they do like that? I not talk say, begwe for what? I say, it's not good. When I come here now today, Abba don't they drag them. You see, say, I can't come out, I can't talk, say, I even know anything about the money. You can't see, say, I can't talk, come out, I can't they join, say, no. I not do, it not consign me. But when she can't do video where she do, where she can't pay Sarah for her side, that thing, he pinch me. Because me and Sarah don't talk for inside house, talk about their matter before. How they respond and everything. Waiting make them block each other. The thing he pinch me. I say now, wow, hey, Jesus, Maradona. I don't even quarrel say. I don't even know say. I just say, Maradona. Because me know what it day. Me know what it day. I live and I rest. Until later, where people come they carry the video, they go. Come sit down, watch the video, say, hey, now wow. Okay, my people. Then, I can't do video early morning. On Monday. Now I do that video where I do for kitchen before I go school. I can't do say, this thing, why will it continue to be repeatedly repeating? That time, I never hear nothing. Nothing. God bear me witness. I cannot sit down here and lie to my lover and lie to human being because God will not fight for me. God will they fight for me now. God will fight for me for secrets. Now because he knows, say if I sit down, I tell you now how the thing be. Except say now caller bring and come, it not can be true. The way caller, the one where me know, I go tell you now how it be. So that morning, I can't do video say. If place not good for you, why do you continue to be there? Because I know what she fair cry to me. The same cry have a jena. Oponon di o sacrifice, oponon di o pepe, oponon di o with the play, oponon di o money wo na don't make, oponon di o thing. Why are you still like this? Me by myself, oh. I could say, If place no good for you, they say you classic, you mature, you get sense. What's in the way here not by you? Why you not go leave them for seke? If not true, nah, you don't see we all come out. I don't hear nothing, oh. I just they talk due to when you see how something they play. Sometimes you just look and we come I where they tell they diagnose me too. They will look here. Me just look the whole thing and say, what kind of drama of rubbish thing just is this? Eh? Now so this thing, now I tell do that video where I do that morning. As I can't do that video finish, I go my way. Okay? He never tell somebody come write me for inside school. Can I talk to you? I can't check on UK number. I can't say, okay, I did school. If you can call me when I did long break, make sure. Because if time don't still go, it go finish. Because I be tell the person say, talk. He can't say it go take time a little bit. I can't say, okay, I did inside class. I know if I carry phone come out for inside class, I can't go stay long. I can do it for just like something like appointment, but not for long. He can't say the talk go long so long. Now it's okay then. You can call me for long break. So for long break, the person can't really call me say, make an vessel whether I hear something for video where I do today. Did I hear anything? I can't say something like how you say about these people. I say, no, I don't hear anything. He say, how you can't fit do that video? I say, because don't forget, say, once upon a time, this woman don't fair cry to me. Now she bring audio come for me. Now I tell everybody. I not talk details of anything. I say, when I see her action and operation again, it just do me like, why will you continue to do this type of thing again? Now I do that video, there was nothing. Okay? This person can still talk to me, but the things where he talk to me, it not to concern me. Now no, because your man concern me. Now every day I tell the talk, say you want go polygamy? Bye. I don't get time. Now you know, because it not go easy. Okay? He can't tell me things. He not to concern me. I not to take into consideration. Just okay, thank you. Until today, my people, I really don't feel happy at all. But I be tell the person, say no problem. I'm going to Ogbirane, but it might it's okay. Because the more I go want talk my mind, the more my own love I go be like, say, why are you supporting lady or son? I'm not supporting her. But at the same time, I can never cover my mouth and my eye against somebody repeating it again. My people, do you know first wife where bring God your come for me? She and her friend where they Italy and her friend where they Austria. Now we got that their conference call where they tell me everything where second wife do to that time and side chick. What he do to that man will be your husband according to her that time. How everything, even you so where they look me. If you did that time, you hear them. You go even do worse than what me do. I don't even do anything. Now their voice I play until tomorrow. Marry sugar, you marry umeyo. And then na she na arrange and come. Na 3 days we take do and be. Na she tell me say this D na 3 days. Na she go they bring and come. The one where I'll play for afternoon. Then I'll complete. If they come, they ask for the subsequent, he go bring and come. Now he arrange everything. You go see when I they play the audio, na refine. If na me, really, they bring audio, plenty audio. I want to arrange. I know what they talk inside. Now she arrange and bit by bit. That's why when you they listen that time, now bit by bit. If he reach where he talk to the rest artists, I go still tell una say. Oge ke no na wa Guyana gwa riveje na o wa do dan me o e ke no yonga ama mere. Even when I dey play am, husband dey my WhatsApp, he dey beg me because that time una know me and husband we no be the quarrel. Una know. We no be the quarrel, we no be the do anything. If you say the old presenter who be their favorite that time, na me. So when I come dey play this audio, your husband dey UK, come dey write me, Monica, please pick my call. Monica, please, I have never done you nothing before. I always respect you. Why are you doing this to me? I can't forward to them say your husband they call me and this type of thing. The man just they write me disappointing man when me very another please don't believe your sister if she. He say make I no carry he go brainwash me. He say if your husband talk to me, me go start to the beat am. Make I no carry because that 002 the juju way he do, they go use and brainwash people. Make him send me the juju parts. Make I play and me I know say now juju they talk to people. He say make I no pick your husband call. Me I no pick and go brainwash me if I lie, your husband no say this thing. Your husband even talk and one day for outside that time where they know. Say I see beg Monica rich. Monica still enter live video say make people don't go their party because the wife tell me say he go brainwash you boya ya go we wa here. Make him send to me we you enter from so time. I go so okay. Go bring and come. The one where you want play so now the one where if for talk juju had the tie juju had the he go really bring and come. Ah, really? Okay. When you want enter like this, two of your friend. Do you know those two of your friend today? They know they play again. They know who marry your win. Mama B, I see your video today. The thing come they vex me the more. I say I cannot keep quiet. The person be say, oh, gawa unwage, ya togo me. Mama B can say it's good for friendship. She's not good for friendship. Why did she block Sarah? If she go for friendship, how come now I service she can do with her bat? How come? You know what happen? Okay, if she go with friendship, where the two friends, where they Italy and Austria, where happened that time, where we all they do conference call to play the audio, where they make it tell you say he still get them as friend. Una know what he do us. Una know what he do us. But thank God for my God. Thank God for my God. Thank God for good heart. Thank God for head where I bring come. So my people, after this woman, we don't gather play this audio like this. As your husband beg me rich, your husband can testify. Your husband talking for us, say, my way Monica me there, he respected Monica, then he begged Monica, say, then he got Monica ma go bemu, or when he get mu, or brainwash him, and he always here, that if your husband talk to you, you go to say na saint, but you no go know say or beme wa Monica Epa Eddie gbewa o honi o we juju gbe no send the audio we am me audio ban. Okay, so my people now I can't tell now they can't tell me say you know after I play this audio finish you know say second wife can say he no go green they must see the order of this audio. Una remember. Your husband come to us say he no go green. They must see the order of this video. He anaga see me here lege. He anaga see me here lege. He anaga see me here lege. Your husband go write me. He go try to do friend. Tell me the truth. I go say I cannot tell you the truth because it no good. Rest. If una say the thing don't finish, he don't progress. He no can kill him. Why? We no need. He no go good though. He no go good for your household. If I tell you the thing, the man they alive, he can testify. Say anytime where he take write me, that's why they tell and say the thing no go good. If I talk him, I beg the people where we gather do and say make I not talk him, may I live on. My people, why me no soon noir? Nine. Ozo second wife they can't say this matter not go finish like this. Now they can't start to the swear put. They can't ask this woman. As it be said that they ask Monica because you get one time can still remember at their working place when Mr. Ozo he start to the write me again. I said this man you no go rest for this audio. Where still start to write me. He beg. I no green. The next thing start to threaten me for writing. I must tell him. If I not tell him, they go juju. They go. I say no swear juju. Oh. If you swear juju, your ass sold because you don't know who bring and come for me. No concern me, oh. But juju no go kill me in the mighty name of Jesus. Because a person will say, he na meve. Oh, salobo akondudu ameve ni no win ni me ni except the enemy. Now you know if you go swear put the man. My people, they say they can't call this woman for ground. Who do this thing? This woman say no be she, lie, no be she. Now they can't carry juju, they can't go swear put for either 9 place. We get me a leg go. Either 9 place or 11 place. 11 places they can go swear. Different country and world. They ain't can we. Why in the word you woman a word in we innocent. Or a tia innocent in we better me no we may. I want my no. So they can't go they swear for a present. Destiny Esther, they can't go swear for who bring audio come to me. And me, we play and we no talk who bring and come. And everybody we participated in hiding the truth of this thing and I am my bug bejo. If you gbon iri oge word in our with Destiny and where Destiny now we I am my bug but no person we help a word. Me on listen that one no problem oh. Shebi my lady today you say if they protect in marriage you work boy a family on wa but na marriage no na vieje malady a marriage ne saka wo wa egbe okian wo wa yan do agbe na me bai. So they can't go 11 places. They can't go swear put as the mona the listen oh. And she know when they swear put who bring the audio to Monica. Monica we play am. We know who bring and say you no go talk am. Every hand we join because Monica said that person bring am. Oh, but no he on, no he can the audio na kere no matter. You know ya mwe bok bejob 11. They go swear put for 11 places different. Don't forget the person we get audio. Papa na even native daughter. Sacrifice yet when they don't swear put my people una go remember for this social media I go just there like this ex-friend and evil people where the same message that time see belle it the sicko don't the swell up don't the let them yo me go the wonder wetin no happen they will say it happen oh come because of swear where they tell them. Say, I am one bene, I am money bene. Hey, me boagbe. But person will send me message. He did that one not be problem. He did there, that one not be problem. You know what he do? She can't go the bath on. Me no worry her. If ya go the yoga, I got Mona listen yo. They come they swear for your friend where they Italy, where they Austria, and me where Epa player. God forbid. They come swear for who bring and come where be she. She come green. Make they swear. They say she go evil. They say, hey Monica, agbonga ma hey Monica ukonga ruan egbe. Opposite now they talk so. If I say ukonga ruan egbe, meaning opposite. Now so he talk. Okay, you see person when me help. She was even looking for something when me go die so that everybody will forget. Say, hey, Monica where Bogbene. She can't go the bath on. Why done it all? She can't go the bath on. Me they yeah, me we help her. She they join people where she betray. They swear when all of them go they drink, they go they swear every day. You swearing of that audio. Una no say Lady Esther that time. In we not your need when no yamu when your my weather. 100 years is not forever. 100 years is not forever. That babe. Now that they do sacrifice, make I confirm. Make something happen to me. Make something happen to me. Who bring me that audio? So tell them go they do you if something happen to me, I go come confess who bring me audio. But nothing happen to me. Me where person will send me message they bath in they go. Who bet una know what happen? Na she con they sick. My people, who na know what happen? This thing where they talk, 3 of them they are alive. Oh, 3 of us where they use, we also they are alive. This woman, where they got bafion, where open eye, Destiny they use money, heavy money, in a voboy or me lave me asunu. O na na ran o na zigbe. Destiny ga give them born yen la wa yen ya ho yen ko. Bet yen se Monica aju we yan siovi me, yan si me lege. E mi o pa yen ni ma wo den yan mu ba me. Eti mo fi agbe me gbo mu an ba me mi ni ese ni u ne e wodi ana siri e woda na mo be 11 aga itota ba akota aga ye be giae aga file everybody won po everybody na so ahuebo. My people, everybody where they huebo yan iga mulele different hospital here in matter the social media ni metana everybody eto iga hun yo unre. Everybody ori BPV na akwa egbenyo I akwa ogo eton uni a diagnose a bed rest rere me ware my dead gbe me we sagenya we 100 years is not for everything they bebo nyanya if e bebo nyanya we e bu work gbe because e voice work be why ya gwale no mu egun because imagine Nigeria na total me still dey here person wey dey huebo na she con dey sick. They don't know say oya huebo na she con dey sick. So I don't know what it make Destiny no rest for that audio. Wait, be say that day I think he go call for Frank Victor make no na we gbe su ni me ye me audio no we na was spark where edene na no since someone wagba no mu audio gi me. O wara haruwe benu wa leo da obose wa mati munye o wa dishi gbe Monica wo obo mati fiya no tama wewe goma no mo audio gume na come and that na come tell Destiny say enough is enough na your wife na bring her come yeah my people na they can't go inside so now all of them come they ask a word. Now you really carry audio go give Monica. What the hey what they call no what we more by Italy was Australia. Your boy audio give Monica. Man get Monica. He give her to he give audio to his friend for Italy. Italy send her to Austria. Now Austria go give Monica. This woman we know say I not be small picking. We know say we all day conference call. To take me, as they say, before I go play this thing, I want you to say na the woman. They say, oh, because of voice record. I say, I know they betray person. I not be like that. As you don't tell me what Esther don't do or what don't know manya. It's like chico white wa ubiri and you say proof they go bring a come. But I want know say na the woman where we want work for na really be. They say he no get voice, so he is sick. Esther ma kwe na mwenje webo. Esther ogbe ode, owona odebo. We are mi ebo. Yana gele ya mwe audio. Yana mugumeke no ni nate ebo. We oga we no ko. My people, when me come confess was live video say na e word na e bring audio come from inside house, no be thief as they be the thing no. Na I will bring a life and direct. Not be saying a lobo. No. Okay? Now they can't go ask her what. Now you really bring and come for Monica. Now you really carry and come on for this. Not be he give Monica direct. He give a friend me yola. Now a friend can't go give Monica. You. For your husband now. To come say my wife, what you do is not good though. Or pono and your na ya ujemi na this thing, juju everything where we do for this thing, you did this house. You even use your only picking to swear. How you can't do one? You go bath everything where you swear. Oh my God. Then when I can't confirm, he can't tell your husband say, na your friends don't not be she. When they say they can't they do quarter for his ass now, they say na the friend na he doing, na he send her to me no be she. That is why una see and where she no ever come address her because you no consign her. So now there now they can't know say so all this sick this now all this one cause her. Now they go native doctor, now native doctor say they need to I think whether he say Papa Esther say wherever they forswear, they should go and return the swear because it's dangerous. Can you imagine? A word send me message and they know they can't they swear kutuku. She can't they there. If they swear finish go wash it on. Where they mention my name, they pray for me. The woman go they besay you. Oh Jesus, Agbonwegbe just for this year marriage where she no go ever get peace all the days of her life. Where she no go ever get peace all the days of her life. Whether she married that man one or you no get peace. Because if the marriage fair go for her, can peace okay, more continue. So my people, as they can't start now, can't they return swear, my people. They can't start to the return swear now. Destiny they alive, Esther they alive. Wait here they talk so. They can't start to the return swear. They can't they go village. They go in the morning. They will come back in the evening because they want go return swear. Make the swear not come worry a word. Because they don't see say that's why Monica not be for a word or more egume a poetic bene. Or when he happy or when he and meve and may not time anything or when he happy or when he be my mouth. You two friends they tell me say he knows sabi talk. He know the fit talk Monica. That's why they do like this. The other one are we mami we no Niger. On a seti gwan we mwede Monica lao be my mouthpiece. Oh we gbegume. Be my mouthpiece. Please, God will bless you. Do this for me. Do this for me. I don't know as I want to pursue this woman for body. Papa na native doctor. Be my mouthpiece. Fight for a fellow woman like you. My people. When they come de serien body go, il fait quoi rowa? They come de serien body go. They come de serien body go. Either level abi 9 places. After me don't talk who bring a come. Now sacrifice and seriembo they go. I not be ordinary person. I went through all this like Did you know the one that surprised this person that finally said, Monica, why did you do that video? You hear something? I said, no. I just did see the game. I said, this woman, Erio wow. Oh, wow, we na geninya. Why was one binane? Oh, we na batik binane na. As I just say, which can you hear marry this one want die put? They never tell me anything. Oh. Did you know, my people? You know when they do marriage? When the day when she do marriage, Esther, they spray. Even when they go do Esther like this. You know, concern. I know they fight for Esther. Udege kenana me where I no can get interest for a matter. I can't say like, where they fight for Esther. I know they fight for Esther. I know they fight for any one of them. But truth of the matter be say, you know when they say they can't they swear they can't they serien swear they go. It take them. Because if you want to go serien swear, the juju people go tell you time and the dates where they'll fit a serien swear. Now, Esther and Destiny can't go they do and they go. What the hero wana ni fe ete hun fo ne BP ahwegbe enyo iya kwa hospital union need the bed rest. Ona ya ahwebo ona ahwo egime no hepe keni totaji wo wa me. what in amwe or dio na ya amwe bogbejo or ti se emi no mu gume o nyomo gume o yomwe gume o Bame, because say I be presenter, may not be say if he come they talk now me I not can change my mind the record down. Now he two friends, he two friends for Italian and the Austria. They be Mama B. Shebi you say it's a big friend. Okay, friend, we do this type of secret where we did since all those time. He not supposed to sleep be a friend. Ask him whether they be a friend. Ask them whether they be friend again. They know as he quick quiet, go they wash your juju, make the you juju te finish us. Destiny no. He take Destiny, one of his friends, say now that one done. Now that one they can't the vest for. Now that one they can't go right to. Now that one they can't turn to enemy. Not true. Now that one really send her to me. Now that one send her to me. The time where they do this audio, who remember when I tell una say na 3 countries now they receive am. I not tell una. I said they go send for me for Nigeria, they will send for me for one country, they will send for me for another country. When people will say, we are not many audio with na 3 country they come from. Una no go ever know bring up because na 3 country they come from. Because na she say make I do the boo boo boo. She na she know the secret of her husband and she tell me everything we are go do. Now she tell me I not pick a husband call. Like say he go brainwash me. Say if your husband talk to me finish, I go pity your husband. Say I not go believe her. Make I no pick. Say Esther give and juju no ya go man go edwane e hoe we ri oto ni ye mu. Or that for you la janvi ba we ma believe Monica we gbe we na una we be presenter. I don't know the kind person we na be. I never offend Monica one day. I never do Monica anything. I always respect her. I beg Monica na his wife tell me so if I carry in with test I go change my mind. Okay? So my people, as if that is not enough. That this woman gave me something they were swearing for. And she was there saying name, following them to Juju now swear. In go the bathroom. Now she come the siki. As if that is not enough, my people. You see they are recent year marriage. Now year marriage yo. Now ye Esther on na one. Ewodo na year marriage. Yes. Year marriage, you know. Year marriage. You see your marriage where they do that day. Where it be say many people agbontivi mommy. Where it be say many of their own people where say if they fight for them, they come they humiliate that marriage. Allah. Ehime tikbime ozoveju wagbe. Neseni agbe mo gbe ni una igba igbogbon ogbo mi no ri e mo bo no gbe neseni uni yen no gbe me gi o wa we yon agbe ogbe o because u ma pon me no problem o say ya we ne say mi wa go so that wa we ne say gbe me ogbo. You see marriage where they do that day where all their friends unu nyama and long months where they come they criticize them now only me one. Next time for them talk the matter like say this one can happen, this one like this abi my people this small one we I take quarrel with una ye mune esunegbo enyene mo bi abamune oboni gbezi obono gbodo moto Riere ige una mama nika sumo criticize sumo quarrel we are quarrel with her for inside that marriage say when you they do your own wedding Esther they spray if they do zezeze I ain't get your nije omonoma o na yage if they do zezeze because me so if I do zezeze follow you I see say you do the following zezeze na lie o. Now you go to look for me, where give me, but check boniri. How we? Okay, when they do marry Esther, come they do zezeze, they spray, they follow her. Wait, come reach Esther. Oh, this woman spoiler. No, not true now. What get them matter? He spoil Esther or he not spoiler. No, not true. Because that time we never know this one. Wait, do. When he come reach Esther, ona yagbalo kuku. Ona go over it. Esther na do easy. Esther na do anestre. Who we marriage Esther marry na come the kiss your husband. Kiss we no do for you. When we come talk say you no good. Nobody we no quarrel put for that thing. Do you know? What in na amwe bogbo eye mwe. Opono as me beer for ever reach for years. They drag my pikin. I no release that as secret. She know for one day take by herself repent. Sumo quarrel, bad character way do for there. Say it's not good. As person there for you, try to there for her. As lady also do follow you for una party for your wedding. You for still do all you was so here. You late come, you come like say now you be why you then waiting. You for still do like this to even kiss or yeah only you want the dance for inside party you carry us if you na no one may marry na problem. That's small one way we talk for here that time lady or son never even talk say I don't want be more and leave me alone. He never talk that one. That time na still all those people friend we just there our day for here. The small one way I just talk so what in our amwe bogbe ye on amwe bogbun ona amwe bogbeye ona amwe bogbun ona amwe bogbeye ona amwe bogbun ago egun so when we wa ko je ivo no this type of thing my people e good what send me message you go the bath juju. Hello mama.
You know see like this case now, you understand? Now you dey inside before right from the beginning. You hear me?
Yes.
So now you know in the act of the case, you dey get. When they bring their audio, both your friends and all. Now you they come. Now you all of them meet together, do the meeting, do everything. Like we not did there now. We dey see for another different angle. It's different than you. When we say when they bring the audio, all the friends they there, you they there. But where I go blame my word, as be say they go this swear and you know in the act of that audios, you understand? Say not be a friend, he give that will come from there, transfer to you. Say they the call that very day. As they swear. And when we say the juju don't go another level, and he know say the juju not go harm you now because who bring something connect